Hi everybody. Well, we're back in our RV kitchen again today, and I'm going to make a dish that is going to use meat today. It's my favorite meat, chicken, and it's fettuccine Alfredo with chicken. Why do I like this dish and why do I like chicken? It is low in fat, and so it gives you your meat, but it kind of controls your fat as well. So I hope you're going to like this. Hang around, watch me put this together. Okay, let's get cooking. First of all, we cut up our chicken, the 2 pounds of chicken that we have. We will be cutting them into strips. This is the way I do it. I cut the strips in half. You can cut it even smaller or not at all. It's your choice, but I just feel like I want more bites of chicken in with the pasta. I drop them into my Copper Chef skillet. Notice, no oil. It's not going to burn, not going to stick. And I cook them up until they're no more pink, as you can see here. Oh, a couple minutes. Doesn't take really that long, just a few minutes to do that. Once I do that, then I set it aside. In the same skillet, I put my broth, my chicken broth. Then I add my flour. That's right, we're making our Alfredo, homemade Alfredo. See how beautiful and smooth? It's just beautiful. Now I add the cream cheese, which is soft because it's at room temperature, so it blends in real well. No preservatives in this. This is pure. And it is wonderful. It smells marvelous already. Now to that, I'm going to add my parm. Mix that all in, make it nice and smooth. Then to that, I want to add all of my spices. My garlic powder. And then I add to that also some pepper. Put my pepper in there. And mix that all in. And voila! You have homemade Alfredo to add to your chicken. It is wonderful and it smells marvelous. Let it simmer a few minutes. When it starts bubbling and boiling up like that, you know it's ready for the chicken to get into the pool and get it all smothered with that beautiful, beautiful sauce. Smells so good. Take that, set it aside. Get your pan full of water, get it boiling, and add your salt. You're getting ready to do the pasta. And this is the place to put your salt. This is when the pasta will absorb the salt, the only place really, for it to really absorb the salt well. You can always add it later, but this is the time to do it. Now it's all cooked up, nice and tender and bubbling. It is just really, really beautiful. I add a little bit of the pasta juice if I see that it's a little bit dry. I want to make sure that sauce is going to really cover the pasta, and this will do it. This will definitely do it. Okay, time to put the two together. You bring the chicken, the Alfredo, you put it into the pasta, you mix it all up, and isn't that beautiful? And it just fills the whole room with a wonderful, wonderful fragrance. Just so, can't wait to eat it. Let's plate this up. There we go. What do you think? Beautiful. Now I can feed my family. Problem is, I can't keep some of them out of it till it's time. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you will try this. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Remember, parttimерv.com. Down in the description, we have the whole recipe laid out there for you. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Take one.
I'm trying to think what I'm supposed to say.